Guys, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to add products to your wish list on So Fontsy. I am going to navigate here to the September SVG and font bundle, and I'd like to add this to my wish list. So number one, make sure you're signed into your account. It will say this and it'll say sign out at the top. And then if you go to the product right underneath add to cart, there's going to be an add to wish list. You click on the heart and that has added it into your wish list. So you just go up here to the top next to the shopping cart icon, click on the heart again, and that will bring you to the page where your items have been saved. Now there's only one wish list, and if you'd like to save it, you can share it via these apps down here at the bottom. I'm going to use email. So when I click on the email icon here, it will open up my email program, and I'm able then to just send an email directly with the link back to this page. And then you can have someone purchase these for you. And this is especially helpful for those, a little bit shopping challenged significant others. Maybe they need a little hint or a little help, and we hope this feature will help you guys out. All right. If you do need to remove a product from your wish list, you can go right here to the little heart above it, and if you click on it, it will remove it. So then it'll say your wish list is empty. So I have to go back and fill my wish list back up, but I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, just send us a message.